Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to edit a PDF in Canva Pro for free in 2025. Even if you are not a paid user of Canva, you can definitely do it. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come on canva.com and then sign in into your account. If you don't have an account, you need to first of all create a new one. You don't need the pro version, as I said earlier, in order to upload or edit the basic PDFs. So once you are in your Canva account, you will see the upload option here on the home page. So you need to click on the upload option and you need to click on the upload files option. After that, you need to select your PDF which you want to upload here, and it will take some time in uploading the particular PDF. Now you need to click on the view option and you will be landed on the next page where you can basically start editing your PDF. If this method doesn't work for you, you can simply open a new tab here. In the search bar, you need to search for editable PDFs. Now once you search for it, in the list you will find one link from Canva as well. So you need to just click on that link and you will be landed on this page. Now again, you need to click on the upload your PDF option and you just have to wait for some time until it shows you or redirects you on the page where you can basically start editing your files. So as you can see over here, I can write anything over here and I can change anything here. So once you are done editing your PDF, you will have to simply click on the share option in the top right hand corner, then click on the download option and make sure that the PDF file is set as the PDF standard. Then click on the download option and you will be able to basically download the editable file from Canva. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.